Hello everyone, this is Jacob Thomason with RentPost. I want to give you guys a brief demo here of the RentPost software. As you can see here, we're logged into an account. This is a manager's account. So what I'm going to do is going to go over briefly each of the tabs, the main tabs across the main menu bar here, and dive into some of the sections and sort of touch on many of the high-level aspects of the software, just to give you an idea of where things are located and the general idea of how things function within the system. Just for a little bit of layout familiarization here, across the top you have all of the main menu items. These are for all the main sections of the software. At the top right you have sort of what we call the user account menu. From here you'll have your profile, some company details, billing details, settings, things of that nature. You also have a quick access to the support forums. Of course you can log out. And then on the left hand side we have sort of what we call the personal menu with your contacts, your tasks, your document storage, and your messaging. So the first tab that we're on here is the Home tab. And this page acts sort of as an audit of all the things that have been happening within your company. And as you can see here on the feed, you can see a work order here has been submitted, a reply has been added. You can of course add your own reply here as needed, and then just submit that in line. That's going to automatically notify the tenants if the tenants submitted that work order, or any colleagues within your company of that specific reply. You can see payments that have been recorded, details of those payments, links to specific units the payments were recorded for. As well, you can see as who this particular payment was recorded by, if this was recorded by you or any other colleagues within your company, as well as a tenant, which a tenant can make a payment from within their own account. So this acts as sort of an audit to keep you up to date with exactly what's been happening within your account for everyone that's involved. On the right hand side here, you can see a to-do list. You can drag and drop, reorder this to-do list. You can just click in here to add some additional details if you need to. On the right here, you can check that off as completed, or you can, of course, add a new to-do as well. When adding a new to-do, you can add a new to-do to yourself or any other colleagues within your company. This particular demo account only has one specific manager added, which is ourselves here. So you only see one person. Otherwise, you would have other companies here. You can just add that to-do, save that. That'll add it to your to-do list. If you added that to a colleague, it would send them an email notification letting them know that to-do has then been assigned to them. They can, of course, log in and mark it as completed, assign to-dos to you, edit it however they best see fit. At the top right here, you'll see this section here, this little banner. This basically is letting you to get set up for online rent collection. So if you fill out these details here and hit send, this is going to send you email instructions that you can follow then to complete the setup process for getting set up for rent collection. If you've already been set up for rent collection, what you'll see here are funds currently in processing. And these are the amount of funds that are currently being deposited into your bank account through the ACH network. At the top here in the center, you'll see sort of what's called the heads-up display. This is sort of letting you know where your company currently stands for a number of key metrics: delinquent tenants, rent outstanding, current work orders and their status, as well as unit occupancy levels.